Hey guys, welcome to Jelly Smash! And today we're going to be doing another experiment on plants and animals. So guys, as you can see, this is a beautiful pear tree full of not fully grown yet pears. This is a little pear. It's not even close to being ready to pick yet, and it's summertime. But this pear is going to grow big and strong, and one day somebody is going to eat it. More like me and Samantha. This is a tree-like shrub of Rose of Sharon. Now, these very beautiful flowers are pink, red, and a yellowish color in the middle. And bees, hummingbirds, or butterflies, anything that really pollinates, will pollinate this flower. This is a dead one, but not quite dead, because the dead ones, if you tap them, they will fall right off. And here is an up-close dead Rose of Sharon. This is a shrub of hydrangea. These beautiful blue flowers can actually be in different colors. I've seen one in purple before. A hydrangea is a shrub or a climbing plant with rounded or flattened flowering heads of small florets. This little bird you see has an instinct to fly away when it sees its predators. This is one of the animals in America. This is a lizard. He's scared of most predators too, and will flee in any sight of them. And this is his mating call. This is where he finds females. See how these things look like little tiny specks of dirt? They're actually little sea worms from the ocean. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.
And I'm Samantha.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Jelly Smash!